Okay, hello again. Now we're going to talk about the alphabet. The alphabet are the letters that make up all of the words that we use. I'm not going to go through all of the letters. You can learn them on your own, but it's A, B, C, D, and so on. What I want to talk about more than just the actual letters are the phonics, because phonics are the sounds that the letters make. And in English, unlike in Russian and other languages, different letters can make different sounds. And the same letter can make 1, 2, sometimes 3 sounds depending on letter combinations. So first, vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Vowels have both a short sound and a long sound. So in English, you have to know whether it's a short A or a long A. A short A is like used in the word hat. It's an sound. A long A would be used in the word bait or shape. So it's important to learn the sounds that the letters make on top of learning just the letters' names, because the sound is actually more important. Some letters, like the letter C, it can either make a S sound or a K sound, depending on where it is in the word and what letters follow after it. We have the word cake, which is a hard K sound, even though it's spelled C-A-K-E. And then we have the word cycle, as in a bicycle, C-Y-C-L-E, and that makes a S sound. The Y can either be a Y if it's at the beginning of a word, like yellow or you, or it makes the I sound if it's at the end of a word, like sky or by. X is either a Ks, like KS, like box or fox, or if it's at the beginning of a word, it can make a Z sound, like xylophone. So just because you know your letters does not always mean you know how to properly pronounce a word. English is one of these strange languages where sometimes how a word is written is not exactly how it's pronounced. Now I want to talk about letter combinations, because sometimes 2 or 3 or even more letters can make a totally different sound. The most common combinations involve using the letter H. Like we have CH, which makes a ch sound. SH, which makes a sh sound. GH, which can sometimes make an F sound, a f sound. TH, the sound all Russians love to hate, makes a th sound, like the word the, or though, or there. AH and AW can make an ah sound. OUGH is probably one of the worst and most annoying letter combinations, because it can be a F sound, like in enough, or it can be an O sound, like in though, or it could be an oo sound, like in through. It can be an ah sound, like in thought. So that's a very difficult and confusing letter combination. OW can be ow. So sometimes these combinations can totally change the way you would pronounce a word. So it's not just enough to know the 26 letters of the English alphabet. You need to know the many, many sounds that these letters and letter combinations can make. The way to learn this, of course, is reading while listening so you can hear how words are pronounced. It's important to not just know the words or the letters, but to know the sounds that they can make. So, don't just say your ABCs, understand the sounds that the letters can make. So, until next time.